Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my French fried shrimp served with fried bammies and some carrots. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Instagram, Calibu_Aisha. Follow me also on Facebook, Callie J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. Once again, guys, thank you for your support. So here I have my seasoned shrimp. And if you can look closely, you will see that I did not remove the tail from the shrimp. Because as I said before, I am doing French fried shrimp. I also have my flour. Here I have my bammy that I'm going to serve with my shrimp. I'm going to use a little bit of black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and this is the island spice. And of course, I'm going to use my Maggi season up all-purpose seasoning. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and season my shrimp. First, what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and add some black pepper. Now, guys, if you have the green seasoning, you can go ahead and add the green seasoning. Also, if you have garlic, you can go ahead and add your garlic. So I'm just adding the island spice, all-purpose seasoning. And of course, I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So now that I've added my seasoning, it's time to go ahead and combine the seasoning with the shrimp. And of course, I'm just going to put my shrimp to the side for roughly 15 minutes or 10 minutes before I fry my shrimp. And guys, as you can see, this is a really easy and simple recipe. Go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and try it at home with your kids and let me know what you think. So now it's time to go ahead and slice up my bammies. Because as I said before, I'm just going to serve this with some bammy strips. And also, I will add a little bit of carrot on the side. It's optional. The carrot is optional. If you want to go ahead and add lettuce or whatever vegetable you want to go and add, then, you can go ahead and add it. Because, you cooking and you want to be creative. And you want to do something really cheap and affordable. So, do what you have to do. Once again, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Facebook, Callie J's Kitchen. So for the bammy, I'm going to soak it in milk or I'm going to soak it in salt water. So now that I've added my shrimp on the side for roughly 15 minutes, it's time to go ahead and season my flour. Of course, you have to season your flour a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to that. And of course, as I always say, I do not cook with a lot of powder seasoning. Only when I'm baking, I use a lot of spice. So I'm just going to dip my shrimp in the seasoned flour. And I'm just going to put it on a dry plate. So guys, once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your family members. Tell your friends about Callie J's Kitchen. Have them subscribe to my channel. We are heading to 2K subscribers. And I'm so excited. So I'm almost finished coating my shrimp. So while I'm doing this, guys, please note I have my oil on the fire and I'm just letting my oil heat a little because, sometimes we have to do things off camera as well. So this is it, guys. My oil is ready for the shrimp. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the shrimp. And of course, also, that shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Within 4 minutes, the shrimp is cooked. So you don't want to overcook your shrimp. So I'm just gonna cook this on both sides for roughly 3 minutes, so 6 minutes in all. But normally shrimp take 4 minutes to cook, so I'm just gonna cook this for 6 minutes. Reason being because it has the flour on it. So 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other side. And I'm gonna do the bammy off camera also. So as you can see, my shrimp start to turn pink. So I don't want to overcook my shrimp. So once I see that the one side start to change color, I'm just going to turn it over on the other side and allow the other side to cook. And then I'm going to remove my shrimp and add it on a paper towel for the excess oil to drain. Alright guys, so roughly 3 minutes now on both sides, so in total 6 minutes, so it's time to go ahead and remove my shrimp. So as I said before, I'm just going to add it on a paper towel because I want to remove the excess oil. You don't want to eat too much oil. And guys, when you're serving this, you can serve it with ketchup, or you can use some honey mustard sauce or barbecue sauce, whichever you want, or some mango sauce. So guys, I'm just going to remove the shrimp and then I'm going to show you the final product of my French fried shrimp with fried bammy and carrot strips. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my French fried shrimp with fried bammy, some carrot strips, and I've served it up with some ketchup. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really easy and simple. I hope you try out this recipe and I hope you have fun. Once again guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the love and all of the nice comments and also the bad comments, because you know,